21 years have passed since the 9/11 terrorist attack on the World Trade Center, which traumatized the entire world. In the first article of a series we're writing to commemorate the attack's anniversary, we examine how the site was rebuilt. The 110-story World Trade Center towers in Lower Manhattan, New York City, which were once the tallest buildings in the world, were utterly destroyed by terrorists on September 11, 2001. So stay tuned until the very end to know everything. Hello and welcome back to our channel. We'll discuss how the World Trade Center was rebuilt in this video. Let's get started now. The shocking attack sent stock markets plunging around the world and prompted the US to invade Afghanistan. Many also began to doubt the long-term viability and safety of skyscrapers. The iconic skyscrapers, also referred to as the Twin Towers, were created by American architect Minoru Yamasaki and have been a part of the Manhattan skyline since their completion in 1973. The towers open as the tallest structures in the world, surpassing the Empire State Building with heights of 1,368 and 1,362 feet. A pair of passenger planes operated by Al-Qaeda hijackers and registered as Boeing 767s crashed into the towers on September 11, 2001. Within 2 hours, both of the Twin Towers were destroyed by the collision and the ensuing fire. 2,753 people lost their lives as a result of the World Trade Center attack. In addition to being completely destroyed, the nearby 7 World Trade Center tower was also severely damaged. In addition to the attack on the World Trade Center towers, a third plane hijacked by terrorists from Al-Qaeda struck the Pentagon, resulting in the building's partial collapse. As passengers attempted to regain control, a fourth hijacked passenger plane that was heading towards Washington, D.C. crashed in the field. 2,996 people perished in the 4 well-planned hijackings. A significant rebuilding of the World Trade Center site was envisioned after the attack. Rudy Giuliani, the mayor of New York, declared in the moments following the attack, "We're going to rebuild, and we're going to be stronger than we were before. I want the people of New York to show the rest of the nation and the rest of the world that terrorism can't stop us," said the speaker. 7 teams were invited to compete for the opportunity to design the master plan for the site following lengthy discussions about what should replace the Twin Towers. Foster and Partners studio among the competing architecture studios were Daniel Libeskind, Peter Spin-Lindenberg, United Architects, SOM, as well as teams led by architects Peter Eisenman, Richard Meyer, Charles Guathme, and Stephen Hall, Shigeru Ban, Frederick Schwartz, Ken Smith, and Raphael Violi. The site was given a master plan in 2003 by studio Daniel Libeskind under the direction of architect Daniel Libeskind. Using this design, 5 skyscrapers would be arranged in a semicircle around a monument at the location of the original towers. The building is expected to be finished in 2020 after construction resumes in that year. The Ronald O. Perelman Performing Arts Center, designed by Rex and Davis Brody-Bond, is the last structure planned for the site and is scheduled to open in 2023. Right now, all we have is that. We appreciate your time. What are your thoughts on this? Please express your thoughts in the area below. Ring the bell and subscribe to our channel to make sure you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. We'll see you in the next video.